about how you could...
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Tuesday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking one more Florida tropical-like day as we go through our Wednesday. And then we'll see some cooler temperatures returning to the area. Temperature right now, 69 degrees as we approach 11-12 this evening. The dew point not far behind, 66. So because of the high moisture content, not only will the temperature not drop back much from where it is right now, but that also means that we will see some patchy dense fog in suburban areas as well as the rural countryside. The wind is calm out there right now, and we don't have any precipitation to speak of at this time either. Most of us are down into the 60s, but we have a couple of areas still at or above 70, like Oneonta and Greene at 72. Same thing over in Syracuse, and in Camden, it's still 77 degrees at this time. And as far as the satellite and radar is concerned, we do have some mid and high level clouds out there right now, and that's the case through most of the day. Other than that, sunshine was pretty dominant, and we do have a little bit of rain heading toward eastern Ontario and southern Quebec, and a little bit down toward the spine of the Appalachians, but none of that is affecting us. Again, there may be a few clouds, maybe some patchy fog, temperatures between 65 and 70, so pretty close to where they are right now overnight tonight, and then during the day tomorrow getting back to between 85 and 90, although definitely feeling like above 90 with that added humidity. There could be a pop-up shower or storm tomorrow afternoon, but I wouldn't count on it. The best chance comes in as we go through Thursday, late morning, especially into the afternoon, and the best threat for any heavy rain will be closer toward the Interstate 88 corridor, the southern tier. But then once we get beyond that, that's part of an area of low pressure that will be associated with a cold front, I should mention, tomorrow as we go through Thursday also. And tomorrow, about a 20% chance of rain. Thursday goes up to 60%. But then look at this, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, not only do we cool things down, but we also dry things out and lower those levels of humidity in the wake of that cold front. We do have to watch out for some of that wildfire smoke, not only in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, but a little bit making its way down toward the surface during the day tomorrow, thanks to the fact that we'll have a westerly wind. And as I mentioned, a significant drop in temperature for both Thursday and Friday. Seasonably cool. We should be around 82 at this time of year. We'll be around 75 both days. But then Saturday and Sunday, we'll get back to seasonable averages. And then as we head into next week, we could be a little bit above that, but still low humidity, a lot of sunshine, maybe a few clouds here and there, not much to complain about other than the fact that we could use some rain. It's been dry recently. And tomorrow there could be some heavier downpours, especially towards the southern end of Otsego County, with those feels-like values getting up into the mid-90s once again. But then that's the last day we're dealing with that. We'll be back into the 70s. Thursday and Friday, low 80s, Saturday and Sunday, more like the mid-80s Monday and Tuesday, but you notice a common theme here on the 7-day forecast. A lot of sunshine and maybe just a few raindrops Wednesday and Thursday.
And not a lot of humidity either. Pretty decent conditions for the Otsego County Fair that's happening this week down in Morris. That got underway tonight. Jordan, you were down there at 6 o'clock. What did you think?
I was down there at 6 o'clock. There wasn't a lot open yet, but I think that's going to change over the next couple of days, especially with the Midway Open. But just standing out there in the sun, it was pretty hot. I was just sweating just standing there, not even doing anything really.
And all that direct sunlight just means drink plenty and plenty of water.
There are plenty of places to get it there.
Perfect. Still to come on Eyewitness News at 11.